Well, a much more positive start to the trading session on Friday. We've got the ASX 200 lifting by about 0.8% at the moment. This is after a positive lead of gains of more than 1% in the United States last night. Now, it means that the ASX 200 is pushed back above that key psychological barrier of 7,000 points. And it also means that we're currently avoiding a fourth straight day of losses, which would have made it the longest losing streak for the Australian share market in 7 months. Now, today we've got gains across the board. 10 of 11 sectors are higher, with technology stocks the exception, although they're largely flat at the moment. Keep in mind, one of the worst performers there, and the main weight on tech stocks has been Xero, which is down by about 4.5%. Now, the accounting software group fell by 13% yesterday as well, despite posting a bigger profit result and growth in not only revenue and subscriber numbers of around 20% over the year. Keep in mind, though, that Xero shares rose 83% in 2020. Afterpay is doing better today. It's up 1.5%, but it sank to a 7-month low just yesterday. Now, all of the big banks are higher. The standout is Macquarie, which is the strongest. It's up about 2%. This is ahead of it trading ex-dividend on Monday for its largest dividend that will be paying out in a couple of months' time, the largest dividend since early 2019. We've got Westpac, NAB and ANZ all up about 1.2%, and CBA is up about 0.75%, but did hit a fresh record high this morning. Now, there's been no newly identified cases of the coronavirus in New South Wales or Victoria over the past day, but we still have some mixed outcomes for travel stocks. Sydney Airport and Flight Centre are down. We've got Qantas and Webjet both lifting. All four, though, certainly down quite heavily this month, down by as much as 13%. Now, Synlait Milk is down about 1.5%. The company's chief financial officer resigned today, about a month after the CEO also stepped down. So shares in Synlait have fallen about 40% so far this year. Similar decline in 2020 as well. And Synlait has been a key supplier of infant formula to A2 Milk recently. And of course, A2 Milk has been one company that certainly has struggled with borders being closed with China, and currently is grappling with too much inventory on its books as well. On that note, there's not a lot of economic news in Australia or the region today, and the Aussie dollar still remaining a little soft against the greenback at 77.2 US.